Let's continue to explore right up here under the Macabacus section of the ribbon. Underneath this trace icon, we're going to see that Pro Precedents and Pro Dependents are two of the most powerful features that are available in Macabacus. Let's take a look. We've already reviewed some powerful tools from Macabacus, like the ability to show all precedents or show all dependents, auto trace precedents, and auto trace dependents. We're going to run into situations, though, where these tools fall short, and we're going to need to step up and start looking at Pro Precedents and Pro Dependents. For example, let's head down to this cell where we can see 7.2. We're going to go ahead and use Show All Precedents. This arrow comes up, but to investigate further, we need to use the mouse and click on the arrow in order to see over here that there's two precedent cells. Let's escape out and remove the arrows and investigate what Macabacus has to offer. From this cell that we're in, let's go ahead and execute Pro Precedents. We're going to hit Control-Shift left square bracket. Right away, the Pro Precedents dialog box comes up. There's a couple things to note. Number one, we can see the formula that's in this cell right here. There's a numerator divided by a denominator. Down here, we can see that we're in cell C7. It has a value of 7.2. The numerator has a value of 36. The denominator has a value of 5. What we're going to do now is use the down arrow. As we move downwards, watch closely what happens. We've now moved exactly over to where the numerator is, and we can see the value of 36. If we hit the down arrow again, now we've moved to the denominator, and we can see the value of 5. What's also important to note is that as we moved up and down through these items, Macabacus is also highlighting exactly where we are in the equation in the upper window, so we can move up and down and start to understand exactly how things are wired together. Another great feature within this tool is the ability to drill down even further. As we can see right here, there's a little right arrow. If we tap the right arrow key, we can now move up one more level and see the precedents to that cell. So we can see that this array is leading to that value of 5. Tapping the left arrow closes that drill down. We can move up, drill down into this cell, and see that it has precedents right here. Again, moving up and tapping the left arrow closes that drill down. Let's hit escape and close out of this tool for a second and do a quick review. We know through the research that we've done that ultimately these cells right here are the ultimate end precedents of those formulas. We can, with this tool, start in this cell, hit the shortcut, and then move back and up and get all the way to those cells, effectively evaluating all the way back through these formulas without touching the mouse once. Let's go ahead and close out of this tool now. As we have seen through this little demonstration, we were able to start in this cell where there's a 7.2 showing and trace all the way backwards through every precedent, all the way back to the original source, and we did all of this super quickly without even touching the mouse. It's easy to understand why these tools, Pro Precedents and Pro Dependents, are two of the most popular tools within the Macabacus suite. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.